Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to skip the rows by using the sample tool in case of Alteryx. So sample tool is available in the preparation tab over here. It is also available in the favorites tab over here. So for this purpose, we have to input the data. We'll go to the in out tab, drag the input data over here in the canvas. Now I'll connect the data with the input data tool. It will redirect us to the data connection window. So if I want to skip the rows, so that rows can be specified. So first three rows, if I want to skip, so that can be skipped with the help of sample tool. So over here, I'll select the path. This path is being selected for the file. I'll select this office city file. Now I'll select this particular office city sales. Click on OK. The data is also available in the preview. I'll click on run. So over here, the data is being displayed in the result workflow. 18 records are being displayed. So if I want to skip this particular row number 1, 2, 3, which is available in the record, I will go first to the preparation tab, drag this sample ID, sample 2. Now if I want to skip the first n rows, so I click on first n rows, I specify over here that 3. So if I want to skip the first 3 records, I'll just click on run. So the first 3 rows is being skipped. So if I click on the input anchor, over here you can see that there are 18 records. So 203, 206, 209 is being skipped, and then if I click on the output anchor, you will see the record from 205. So likewise we can do it. We can also skip the last n rows. If you want to skip the last rows, last 2 rows, last 3 rows, likewise we can do it. So I hope you have understood this particular video, how we can skip the rows. Whatever data is used